I understand. I know what you mean.
What, how about what's one of the most profound experiences you've had with integrating and then implementing it into your regular life? What you had the experience, then you integrated into regular life. How did it affect your relationship,
Yeah.
business, career, health, spirituality?
The biggest thing that comes out from for me is that, like, when I go deep into that space, I always, and it's a remembering. It's not a oh wow. It's more like, oh yeah, forgot that again. Like I have this remembering again that
Yeah.
that we're literally all one. I mean, it sounds so cliche, but it's cliche because it's the freaking truth. And we're all this same consciousness, right? At the core, we're all the same consciousness. That helps me when I'm in front of a client and I'm looking at my client and I'm recognizing, oh yeah, that's me. This I'm literally helping myself as I'm helping this client. And some, especially when I have maybe a real challenging client or somebody who has a tough problem that might even be a little hard for me to resonate with, I can remember this is